Hello students, hope you all are doing well. In this prolonged lockdown, it is natural to get bored. However, to rid you of your boredom, I want to tell you about an exciting event that will be taking place on 21st of June. The world will see the first solar eclipse of the year 2020 on Sunday, 21st June. Due to the spectacular view expected during this event, annular solar eclipse is awaited with a lot of curiosity and excitement. Children, 21st June is the longest day of the year in India. The first solar eclipse of the year 2020 is on Sunday, that is 21st June. Type of this eclipse is annular. It will start at 9:15 am. The peak phase of the eclipse will be observed at 12:10 pm and the closure, that is end of the eclipse, will be at 3:04 pm. Means the total duration of the whole eclipse will be approximately 6 hours, or to be precise 5 hours 48 minutes. The eclipse will be visible from some parts of Africa and Asia. The countries which can spot Surya Grahan are northern part of India, southern part of Pakistan, China, Central African Republic, Congo, Ethiopia. Children, what is solar eclipse? When moon, satellite of earth, comes in between sun and earth, solar eclipse is observed. Because moon covers sun and the shadow of moon falls on earth. There are three types of solar eclipse. Here two are mentioned. One is total solar eclipse when moon covers the sun fully. Second is annular solar eclipse that we are going to observe on Sunday. And the third is partial solar eclipse. In annular solar eclipse, when the moon is farthest from the earth and its size happens to be much smaller than that of the sun. Thus the moon covers the central part of the sun's surface. It is also called as ring of fire eclipse, as the periphery of the sun is visible behind the moon, creating a ring-like structure. This is more clear if you see this diagram. Sun, moon and earth. Sun, moon and earth, they fall on a straight line. This type of eclipse is observed. Annular eclipse is observed. See, moon is farthest from the earth and its size happens to be much smaller than that of the sun. Hence we get to see the sun as a ring of fire, with the moon hiding the central part, leaving the periphery of the sun. Now, if you see this spot is called as umbra, where the sun rays are totally stopped. Sun rays cannot reach this part of the earth. So here the viewers or the observer will not be able to see the sun at all. Whereas in this grey area, which is called as penumbra, here the observers can see the sun partially. So here they will observe partial solar eclipse, and here these observers can observe complete or total solar eclipse. This time on Sunday, what we are going to observe is annular solar eclipse. Now, these are the photographs of previous annular eclipse. See, these are the phases of the solar eclipse that we are going to observe. Here, this is the beginning of shadow formation. Slowly we can see in the second photograph, the moon has covered sun's surface. Here you can see hardly we can see this part of the sun, it is visible. And now in this last photograph we can see the sun's surface is totally covered by the moon, leaving this crown-like structure or ring of fire along the periphery of the sun. Students, how to view solar eclipse? We can safely see lunar eclipse with our normal eyes, but it is never safe to look at the solar eclipse with naked eyes. It can cause severe damage to our eyes. Therefore, a special telescope or eclipse goggles are used to avoid any harm to our eyes. Not only this, a simple method to observe solar eclipse is, our traditional method is, you can collect the reflection of this view on a glass surface or on water surface. Means you can take a bucket full of water and try to get reflection of this phenomenon. Children, hope you all will enjoy solar eclipse on Sunday. Thank you very much.